Boris Johnson has announced a national curfew on pubs and restaurants, which will be introduced on Thursday, meaning they will have to close at 10 p.m, in a move aimed at battling a rise in coronavirus cases across the country. Ministers are also changing their advice for people to work from home if they can, after spending months urging people to get back to their offices.
There is going to be a shift in emphasis, and one of the things that we are going to emphasise is that if it is possible for people to work from home, then we'd encourage them to do so. Now, it's important to stress that there are many roles which can't be performed from home. There are people in manufacturing, in construction, in retail and in other roles where we recognise that's simply impossible.
The moves are in response to a surge of COVID-19 cases in the UK, with 4,368 cases being reported on Monday. The new rule of 6 was also introduced last week, banning gatherings larger than 6 people, and strict fines of up to £10,000 for people who fail to self-isolate if they have coronavirus. The tighter restrictions are being put in place to avoid another national lockdown and protect the economy. However, some Conservatives have criticised the Prime Minister for going too far with the new restrictions. Schools and businesses will remain open, with the government also stepping up enforcement of the current rules in place. Police will impose on-the-spot closures against venues breaking the rules and fines against those breaking the rule of 6. Over 10 million people in the north of England have already been in lockdown after several coronavirus outbreaks. Households have been told not to mix unless at work or school, and curfews have been in place for weeks in some places.